Welcome to my video how to knot, and in this video here I'll be showing you how to tie a double overhand knot, also known as a barrel knot. This is a simple stopper knot like the overhand knot, but with one more wrap of the working end. Its applications are farming, fishing, general purposes, camping, climbing, and boating. There are two ways of tying this knot, and I will be demonstrating both in the video. Taking the working end of the rope, form a loop. Now take that working end and feed it through the loop, first creating an overhand knot. Feed that working end through the loop one more time. Now tighten and address the knot accordingly. For the second method, take the working end and wrap it around your finger. Wrap it around your finger once more. That working end should pass the standing part. Feed the working end through the loops. Now tighten and dress accordingly. As you can see, we have the same knot. Here's an example of using that stopper knot through a hole. This is a much bulkier knot than compared to the overhand knot. It's also stronger than the overhand knot, but not the strongest of stopper knots. This knot can jam and become difficult to untie. It can be used for holding a rope through a hole, provide a larger area to grab onto, or provide weight at the end of the rope for throwing. Beyond the use on its own, it can also be used on other knots as well, providing added security. If the working end of a rope starts to pull through the other knot, this knot can be used to stop that from occurring. Alternative stronger options for a stopper knot are the figure 8 knot or the Oysterman's stopper knot. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.